Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Hostinger coupon code. First thing I want you to do is open up a new tab and just type in Hostinger coupon code. They give you codes on their own website, on their official website. You can just open this up in a new tab and then you can claim these coupons directly depending on what you want. Or you can use these deals right here. As you can see, now some give you the best savings depending on the season. Some are summer offers, but you just come here to your card, click on have a coupon code, and you just apply the code. So here we have this code right here. You can use this fully working WPIOWP. Click on apply, and as you can see, we will get a 10% off for our plan, and then you can continue with the purchase. Of course, others give you better deals as well. You can also use special referral links to trigger an extra 20% off. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.